In this video, I'm going to show you the crispiest fried chicken recipe. The crumb is similar to the panko breadcrumbs and it is much easier to make. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. If you don't have these powders, you can just use ginger garlic paste. Then add salt for taste. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon Italian or pizza spice powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder. If you want more spices, you can add more. Then 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Next, I am going to add 1 teaspoon mustard paste. This will give an extra flavor to the chicken. If you don't have, then no need to use. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, then half cup curd. Now mix everything together. I am using a bubble whisk so that we will get a thin and smooth paste. Now it is ready. We can start adding the chicken. I am adding half kg chicken. You can use both with skin or without skin, and you have to marinate for minimum 1 hour. After an hour, you have to add 1 egg and mix everything. I always prefer to mix it with my hand. Keep it aside. Now we are going to make the maida mix. In another bowl, take 2 cups of maida. Then add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Then 1 teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon each pepper powder and chili powder. Then 1 teaspoon Italian spice powder. Mix everything together. Into this, you have to add 1 teaspoon salt. Now we are going to add water little by little, and we are going to make the panko breadcrumb texture. Now you have to press the water and the maida like this. Just mash it with your fingers and you will get flakes like this. This is giving extra crispiness to the chicken. Again we have to add water little by little, and you have to repeat the same procedure. See, we are almost done. We get enough flakes like this. You don't have to make the whole thing with the flakes. You can keep a little bit maida and the flakes. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share and subscribe to your family and friends. You don't have to follow exactly like this. You can use whatever masalas you need. Now it is time to add the chicken. Just shake the extra moisture and add the chicken to the maida mix. Just coat the chicken like this. Don't press it too hard. You have to just turn both the sides and shake it like this so that it will stick to the chicken. Before frying, shake it. See, we got extra flakes, so your chicken will be extra crispy. Now you can keep it aside or you can fry it directly. I am making like this 3-4 pieces, and then I will fry it. This is a chicken breast piece. I cut it into thin. You can use both with the skin and without skin chicken. This is the leg piece I am using. Now keep the oil in medium flame. See, the bubbles are coming, it's ready. Now you can start frying the chicken. Slowly add the chicken to the oil. Turn both sides and fry the chicken. It should be light golden color. Chicken is getting ready and we got nice golden color. Take out the chicken and you can fry the other pieces like this. You can use this for even burgers, or you can have it like this itself with a mayo or a tomato sauce. Kids will love this recipe. Please do try at home and let me know your feedbacks. Please don't forget to check my eggless mayo recipe. I'll attach the link here. And thanks a lot for watching. Please do support.